Hi everybody, so for today's lesson, as you already learned, we are using the warm colors and the cool colors. Now you may be able to find more than just those colors, but I wanted to separate them so you could see them. You will also need a pair of scissors, a white sheet of paper, and this blue kind of heavy feeling piece of paper. Okay, so hopefully you can see all that. My hair off this paper. Okay, so to start out, we are creating a landscape. So the first part of creating our landscape is somewhere in the middle. You're going to create a horizon line. Everything below this is ground, everything above it is sky. So you're going to decide if you want your sky to be the warm colors or your ground to be the warm colors. So I'm going to have my sky be the warm colors, just kind of like a setting sun. You probably want to keep this a little bit lighter for what we're going to do next. I'm kind of mixing my colors, just kind of use what you know about color. You know, we just did our color wheel, so you should know what mixes well and what blends well together. Put some yellow just all over it, just to keep it really light. Got some more pink in here. There, kind of like a setting sun sky. There we go. So I've got my sky all done. Then I just lost my cool color. So what I'm going to do is now create my ground. Probably gonna keep mine like that without any purple. I'm just gonna do the green and blue. My cool colors. Get right up to that line. Finish this off. There we go. So now I've got my cool color ground. So this is the next fun part. So after you finish this, you're gonna grab your paper here, and for my sky, I'm going to make clouds. So to make the clouds, you're just going to use your scissors and create kind of like a bumpy cloud pattern. There's some bigger bumps, some smaller bumps. Ooh. Like that. So then you're gonna wanna take like a darker color than you did with your sky. And you're gonna line it up how you want it to be. Actually, you're going to draw on this like this. You know, I'm gonna add some red in there just to really make it a little bit darker, mixing that orange and red to get a dark color. I'm gonna take this, set it in my sky, and go gently up to create some clouds. I'm gonna do the same thing. Maybe I'll have it go like this. Kind of looks like a sun right there. You know, maybe if you wanted to do a little bit of a different color, you could try doing, you know, like maybe some gray. Kind of lighten these up. See what that looks like. I'm not even sure. I haven't tried it before. Sometimes part of this is just having some fun. Experimenting. See if you like it or not. It showed up just a little bit, so we're getting some of those clouds. Maybe I'll have some orange now, mixed with some yellow. Get a few more, maybe one right here. Here we go. So now I've got some clouds in my sky. Just gonna do maybe one right here. Okay, so then for the grass, you can either do some mountains by creating some, you know, like some kind of like more wavy but yet sharp lines. So I've got some hills. So again, I'm gonna try to go with like a darker color on these. So I flipped it around. Oops. I put the yellow there because I kind of want to make a dark green, which I can also just grab a dark green, but blue mixed with yellow makes it green. So you can either, you know, see what it looks like. Kind of probably want it a little bit darker. I'm actually going to add some brown in there just to really be able to see them. I'm going to do it this way. Have it go down. Flipped my paper upside down. I forgot to do that part. You want to flip it so it goes down this way now. So we want it to go down like that. See? Those hilly mountains. And we keep going, and there we go.